Good morning. Let's start. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So welcome to Little Manly Beach. This is on the south side of the peninsula. We've got Big Manly Beach on the northern side. So we're going to interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, over to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, arms down. So inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale over. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll twist. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, arms down. And we will roll the shoulders back. So just carry on your normal breathing. Gently rolling the shoulders. And then rolling the shoulders forwards. And hands on the shoulders will circle with the elbows. And we'll go the other way. And bring the arms down. Alright, so a few leg swings. I'm going to stand on the right and swing that left leg forwards and back. So remember, belly button squeezed in, using a focus point, and gradually building up the movement. And we do the other side. So standing on the left, swinging that right leg backwards and forwards. And coming down, and then we're going to swing the left leg side to side. And down, and right leg, gradually building up that side to side movement. And coming down. Okay, so we're working on eagle pose. We're going to bring the left arm across the body, right one on top, hucking the elbows in towards each other, forearms up, palms together, or wherever you get to. And just hold and breathe there. And we'll swap to the other side, so right arm across, left one on top. And forearms up, maybe palms together. So just feeling that stretch across the back of the shoulders. And coming down. So left arm across, right on top, forearms up, palms together. So if you want that deeper stretch, we're lifting the elbows. Bring the arms down, right arm across, left on top. Again, lifting the shoulders only if it feels good. And bring the arms down. So working on the legs. We shall stand on the right one. Have a little bend in the right knee. Bring the left leg high and across. So maybe keeping the toes on the ground, or we're trying to get the toes around the back of the calf. You can keep the arms out or just bring the hands to the chest. We're just working on the balance for now. And we'll swap to the other side. So standing on the left leg, a little bend in the knee, and bring the right leg high and over. You can always keep the right toes on the ground, or we're trying to get them around the back of the left calf. And if you feel balanced, just bring the hands to the chest. And come on out. So we're adding the arms and the legs if we can. So stand on the right, left leg over. And when you feel steady, we'll bring the left arm across, right one on top, forearms up, maybe palms together. So if you've got the hands together, try gazing through the hands. And then we'll swap. So standing on the left, bring that right leg over. Now, if you fall out of the pose, remember the first arm, same as the top leg. So right arm, then left. And coming on now. So we're going to do chair pose. Try and stay balanced. Bring the feet together, legs together, hands to the chest. We'll inhale, exhale, sitting back, coming into your chair pose. So remember, modify as much as you need to, so you can have the arms apart, looking forwards, or if you can, palms together, looking up to the hands. Remember, nothing should hurt. You want a challenging pose, but not a painful pose. Alright, so we're going to do a little balance sequence. So we're going to start off with that chair pose again. So inhale, sitting back into your pose, and holding there. And breathe. I'm going to come up into star pose. So weight on that left leg, bring the right leg up. Just hold for a couple of breaths. And then see if we can come into eagle pose. And if you can hold, bring the elbows down to the knee. A bit of a challenge, so just see how you get on. And come on out. I'm going to do that for the other side. We'll start in the basic chair pose. Inhale first. Exhale, sitting back. Trying to keep the back straight. And breathe. And star pose on the other side, so bring that left leg up, holding still, And then into eagle pose. So bring that left leg over, then the left arm right on top. If you can, elbows down to the knee. And breathe. And coming on up. So standing poses. We shall start with triangle pose. So the legs nice and wide. Turn the right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled. Shoulders above the hips. Squeezing that right thigh. We'll inhale. Exhale to the right. Just nice and easy. Right arm down, left arm up. So keep the body facing forwards. Back to the middle. Inhale. Exhale, reach maybe a little further. Ensure you engage the core muscles. So don't just lean on the leg. Use the abdominals to keep you steady. Come back to the middle. Inhale. Exhale. Reach as far as you can. And just coming into your best triangle pose, making sure you can still breathe. If you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And inhale, coming out. Exhale, bring the arm down. And keep breathing and turn the feet around. Remember, easy first one. Inhale, exhale to the left. Left arm down, right arm up. So both palms facing forwards. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale, maybe a little further. But don't worry if you don't get any further. Just keep practicing. Come back to the center. So last one. Inhale and exhale. Into your best triangle pose. Looking up to the hand if it feels okay. And breathe. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down. Alright, so we will do high lunge next. We're going to have the left leg forward, right leg back. So remember the train tracks. So the feet are on those parallel lines, both sets of toes facing forwards. That front knee is above the ankle or behind, but not past the ankle. You can either hold here, or we're going to come into what we call the crescent lunge. We bring the arms up, look up to the sky, and then arch the back, and maybe bring the arms over a little further. But do not cause any pain, and carefully come on up. And we're going to take the right leg forward and the left leg back. So take your time getting into the basic lunge, because the steadier you are on the feet, the more likely you will get further into the lunge, the crescent lunge. I'm being a bit careful because I am actually on a slope and the tide's coming in fast. So if you feel steady, look up to the sky, arching the back, and just leaning the arms over. Make sure you can still breathe. and carefully come on out. Alright, so we're going to do lunge on each side again. This time we're going to go low. We're going to do a low twist. So having the left leg forward, right leg back. Remember that back heel is up. Again, you can stay here, or the low twist, we bring the elbow to the outside of the opposite knee, press the palms together so the fingers are pointing in the same direction as the toes, and the upper elbow up towards the sky. Again, carefully coming on out. Taking the right leg forward, left leg back. So gradually sinking into your high lunge. So you can come out of the pose at any time. Stay here if you want to, or we'll add in the low twist. So bring the elbow to the outside of the thigh. So just gradually building up to it, keeping a good focus, and breathe. Again, carefully coming on up. And we shall finish with the good posture and the breathing. I'm happy I didn't end up in the water. So take the shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, and the in breath to that lower hand. So if you feel comfortable, you can close the eyes for a few breaths. But this is Little Manly Beach, and normally, or quite often, we see dolphins in the background. If you want to watch the sea, see if you can catch those dolphins. So just steady the breathing, quieting the mind. Open the eyes if you had the eyes closed, bring the arms down, and we are all done. This is a full view of Little Manly Beach. It's not a big beach, but really quiet and peaceful, except for the main road just above the beach. But like I said, it is good for dolphin watching. There we go. Have a beautiful day.